What's up guys, and today I'll show you how to get my quality on After Effects and Topaz. So first you export your clip. I've got my clip here. Hit render, boom, go to Topaz, select your clip. Now copy the settings. Fixed compression 100, improve detail 50, sharpen 85, reduce noise 30, dehalo 60, anti-deblur 100, and add second enhancement. And make this and choose the AI as Artemis. And then choose 2x scale. Make the recover detail 60 and remember to put this on high quality. Now just hit render, boom. And now we'll just wait, I guess. 2 seconds, alright. Okay, boom, just like that. You can also see the difference. Just make it, yeah, I don't know what it does, but I just played around. So now go back to After Effects and basically choose a clip. I have this one and add your CC. No, this one is ass. Wait. Okay, and now this one effect actually makes things way much easier. It's called S cartoon, and what it basically does is make the edges thicker, like the borders or the edges of the anime characters. So just copy my settings like so. Put this at 1.0, 0.1, sorry. And just add your RSMB and all that, like clip RSMB, your clip. Now just hit render. Boom, just like that. Now for the second enhancement, pick your clip. Now gotta go here. No, wait. The flip. Take progress and press this. Enable parameters. 100 detail about like no detail. 80. No, wait. 85. No, wait. I got it. I remember the settings. Hold on. There. Yeah, just copy these settings. Basically the same again. So first, the settings I did, just paste it on them again after you've exported your video and all that. And now for the third, it's upscale. And for the final third third quality upscale, you'll have to copy these settings. Proteus, record detail 20, parameters enabled, manual, fixed compression 100, sharpen 100, reduce noise 53, and the halo 15. Just like that, and hit export, and like that you're done with you're done.